Hmm. இது பண்ணுங்க. சரி, ஓகே சார். ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அவர் இன்னும் அலோவ் பண்ணுங்க சார். வீடியோ இதெல்லாம் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு குட் மார்னிங்.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ranjit sir.
Good morning. Sir, tell me, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my voice is audible, sir.
Please wait
Voice is...
for 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
After 10:30, we'll start your session.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, you can start now.
Okay, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, thank you. You can start.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So, very good morning. My name is Ranjit Kumar in the Wales College of Wales School of Maritime Studies. Today, I'm going to handling the general aptitude. This is my portion. So, in this portion, we are going to discuss the three important topics. Number first one is the ratio. Number second one is the ratio and proportional. First one. Second one, the time and distance. Third one is the time and work. This is a very important topic in this chapter. So in these three topics are cover.
Huh?
In these three topics are
Hello.
hello. Yes, sir.
Microphone test. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Voice is audible. Voice is audible. My voice is audible or not? Hello.
It's audible, you can talk.
Audible. Okay, sir. Okay, this is the important topic we are going to discuss today. So in this topic, actually the maximum 8 to 10 questions will become under this topic only. Now I'm going to share the screen. Okay. First topic is the ratio and the proportional. What is the ratio and what is the proportional? First, I'm going to give the small introduction about this. First, I'm going to give the four set of rules I'm going to give. What is the ratio? For example, the ratio of the two component. For example, same component or different component. In this component, I'm going to take the different ratio. I mean, first term of ratio and second term of ratio. This is the first condition. See the share. The ratio of the 5:9 represented 5/9. The ratio can be represented by 5/9 also. I mean, 5 is a numerator, 9 is a denominator. Like that only we are going to designate it. For example, this is a 5:9 is nothing, but for example, I'm going to take one component. That component is nothing but one single component only. That component, I'm going to divide the component into two ratio. That ratio name is given. Like that only you're going to divide. Okay. I'm going to give the three set of ratio. One is A is to B. I mean, second one is A is to B the root, A is to be the whole square, A is to be the whole cube, A is to be the whole cube. These three types of ratio will be available. Now we are going to see one by one problem based on this problem. First ratio. Hello, I'm audible or not? All are listening? Hello, please. Hello. My voice is
Yes, sir.
audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, my voice is audible or not? The screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Students, please listen.
Ranjit,
My
your
screen is
audio
visible.
is clearly audible.
Hello.
And your video also coming. Don't waste
Hello.
the time that.
Hello.
Ranjit.
Okay.
Hello, Ranjit, am I audible to you?
First, ratio. So ratio, the first problem, the first question, the ratio of the 2 kg to 500 gram. This is a simple question only. How to divide this? So see the answer, the 2 kg is nothing but 200 gram. We know very well about this. 200 gram is to 500 gram. So see the question first, the ratio of between 2 kg and 500 gram. See the unit, it's a 2 kg, it is a gram. So I'm going to make this value into ratio. 2 kg, first I'm going to make it as a gram. Then 2 kg is nothing but 2000 gram. 500 gram is nothing but as usual 500 gram. So we already know this. This is, 1 second. Already we know this. This 2000 divided by 500 is nothing but 4:1. This is the ratio is converted into rational. So 4:5 is the correct answer. So 2 kg is nothing but 4. 500 gram is nothing but 1. Like that only the question will come for your sum. This is a simple problem. Next problem we will see, divide 500 into 2 ratio. I want to divide this value into 2 ratio. 1 second. One second. Okay. Now, I want to make it this 500. So 500, I want to divide it into 2 segments. One is 2, other one is 3. How to make this? Okay. Now, see the answer. So first I want to add this 2 ratio. 2 plus 3. The result is 5. I got it. So 2 by 3. My first ratio is 2 by 5. This is my first ratio. Second ratio is nothing but 3 by 5. This is my second ratio. What's the actual quantity? Is a 500 rupees is my actual quantity. I want to multiple, this is a, sorry. I want to make it as a 202 divided by 5 into 500 and 3 divided by 5 into 500. This is the answer for this question. Okay. So this is a second type. Okay. This is a second type. See the third one. Third one is a very simple one. Very, very simple one. The ratio of A is to B is a 3 by 4. B is to C is nothing but 2 by 4. See, this is a different and this ratio is different. This is the previous problem. 1 second. First of these two problems, the value is direct ratio. But the third problem, the three unknown ratio will be given. First one is A, second one is B, third one is C. The three unknown ratio will be given. This ratio, I want to make it as a single ratio. So A is to B, here B is to C, and B, and here also B is available, here also B is available. My question is A is to C. So see, this are three answers are given. I want to pick the correct answer from this two ratio. My question is A is to C only. So what is the A is to B value? 3 by 4. We know very well about this 3 by 4. Other ratios B is to C is a 2 by 5. Make this a LCM. Make it as a LCM. LCM already you studied. So LCM is we are going to take the least common multiple. So I'm going to take the common one. So the ratio becomes 3 raised to 10. This is a third type. First type is same quantity. We are going to make it as a ratio. Third one common quantity. We are going to make it as a ratio. Third one, three different ratio, one common quantity we are going to measure. So this is a third type. Fourth type is a very easiest one. Direct ratio is given. For example, 2 is to 3 is to 4. This is a one triangular ratio. In this triangular ratio, we want to find the least angle. What is the least angle of the triangle? First, I'm going to add this 3. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is becoming a 9. I got it. So now 180 is total angle of the triangle. We know very well about this. First 180 I'm going to take. I'm going to divide it by 2. I got 20. Next 4 into 2. Largest angle 180. So from this we are going to find that is the largest angle is this one. This is a simple problem only. Third and fifth type is a very, very important type. Actually, the ratio is given. We are going to take one common constant. From the common constant, we are going to find the individual value. See, x is to y. Ratio is given 4 by 5. We know the 4 is to 5 is nothing but 4 by 5 only. And the question is 4x plus 5y is to 5x plus 4y. This is a question. So common ratio is nothing but 4 is to 5 only. The 4 is to 5. I want to find the value of x value and y value. Finally, that value I'm going to substitute in this question and get the answer. This is a fourth type. Again, I'm going to repeat. First type is a common type. Second type is a common plus individual ratio. We are going to calculate. Third type is the unknown values given. Sorry, 3 ratio. From the 3 ratio, known value you are going to find. Fourth one is a one triangle or square, whatever the value is given. From this, you are going to find the largest value, largest angle. First one, see, x is to y is a 4 is to 5 only. And this is a question. See the answer. First, I want to find the x value. What is the x value? X is to y is nothing but 4 is to 5 only. We know very well about this. So x value is a 4x. Here 4k. 4k is nothing but constant value. Y is nothing but 5k. Okay, right. Now I'm going to substitute here. What is the 4x plus 5y equal to? What is the x value here? X value is nothing but 4k. So 4, here 4k, I'm going to substitute in this x-axis, x place. 5y is nothing but y, for that I'm going to put the 5k and add this 2, where I'm going to get 41. This is a first in the numerator value. In denominator value, 5x plus 4y. What is a 5x plus 4y? In 5x, 5 plus 4k, because x value already we found 4x. And 4y, y value is 5k, I'm going to substitute, I'll be get 40k. So now I'm going to take the ratio 41:4, because k also constant in the k is a constant in both sides. I'm going to take the value 41:40. The answer is D. This is another method. So 4 important methods are there. Again, I'm going to repeat. One is common ratio. We are going to calculate it. Other one is one ratio is given. We are going to find the total quantity to individual value. Third one, it is an unknown is given. A is to B and B is to C. They are unknown. Fourth one is a simple. One component value is given. Find the largest angle. Find the largest dimension. Like the only fourth type. Fifth type is a simple one. The equation is given. Common ratio is given. We are going to substitute the common ratio in this equation to find the result. This is another one. So hereafter, very, very simple only. A and B earn the ratio of 3:2. Actually, A is going to get 3, 3 and B is going to get 2. This type of ratio, we are going to get the money. So A earned 1,500. What does the B earn? This is a question. Again, I'm going to repeat. A and B earn the between this salary or some more money. A get 3, B get 2. B get 3 part, B get 2 part. They are going to A earn 1,500 and B earn is pushing. First, 3 part of the 1,500. I'm going to divide the 1,500 and divide by 3. I'll be get 1 part is 500. Then okay, I got 1 part. B got 2 part. From this question, see the question, 2 part. So 2 into 500, how much it is? 1,500. So B earned 1,000 rupees for this. I'm sorry. B, A get 1,500. So I'm going to divide by 3, because in the question itself, they're going to give the 3:2. That's why I'm going to divide the 1,500 divided by 3. B ratio is 2 only. Our question, how much rupees the B going to get? Okay. So first I'm going to, from this, I'm going to find the 1 part. 500 rupees I got it. B got 1,000, because 2 into 500, 1,000. This is another question. Okay. So this is all simple only. And this is one more different question. This is this question is same only. See the 8th question. Very, very important and simple only. A is to B ratio is given. What is this value? 2:3. And B is to C also 4:5. This problem similar to this one. Already we see. So third problem and this problem, I mean the 8th problem, both are same. The ratio is given 2:3 and 4:5. My question, A is to B is to C. Both are same only. In this question, they are going to find only for the A is to C. But here, they are going to find 3 ratio, A ratio, B ratio, and C ratio. 3 ratio we are going to find. So, see this problem, this one. Answer. What is the ratio of the A is to B? 2:3. This 2:3, I'm going to make it as a 2/3. Right? 2/3. And B value 4/3. Okay, right. And this is so. Okay. Now I want to balance the value and multiple by the 4. I get 4, 8:12. See the B is to C. I'm going to multiple by 3. I got 12:5. Okay, right? This is see the ratio. A value 8, 8. Very good. B value 12, 12. So I'm going to put 12. What happened to the C value? And 15, right? 15. Here, A, this 2 or B. 12, 12 is B, and C is nothing but 12. So before this, I want to make the ratio into the equal value. How to make this one? First 2 by 3, I'm going to multiply into 4. I will be get 12. Okay. See the second ratio, 4:3. Here, 3 into 4 and 4 divided into 3. So B ratio becoming equal. This is a 12, 12, 12. So A8, B12, C13. That is most important problem. Okay, most important problem. So, okay, this type of question also important only. If the ratio of the boys to girls is at 4:5. Okay, there are 45 girls is present. Actually, one group is there. In this group, the boys and girls are present. Girls ratio and boys ratio is given. That is called 4:5. Four part of boys and 5 part of girls. I want to. The question is find the boys number of boys present. Simple one, very very simple one. We're going to add this 2. 4 plus 5 become 9. I wanted the 4 plus 9, 5. Okay, so this is a 4 and 45 from this 9 you get. So 45 is a girls. It is a boy percentage is 4, girl percentage is 5. So 45 divided by 5, I get 9. So listen carefully. So boys and girls ratio is given. Boys ratio is 4 and girls ratio is 5. Now one number of girls is given 45. So now I want to make it as a single compound. So 45 divided by 5, I got one part is 9. I got it. So one part is given 9 means 4 into 9, 36. This is a simple one. Actually, 5 ratios bigger than 4. So definitely the boy value also, number of boys value also less than this. So this is a general one. Okay. So 5 for second, I'm going to repeat 45 divided by 5. 9, one part is given, one team, 90% there. Similarly, 9 into 4, 36. So ratio that is called the boys value is 36. Okay. Next, very beautiful and simple sum only. But 3 numbers of ratio is given 2:3:5. The sum is 100. Find the numbers. Simple one, very, very, very simple one. Actually, 3 numbers are present. 3 number is present. In this 3 number, the ratio is given 2:3:5. So if I'm going to add this 3 number, the sum is 100. My question is, I want to find the first number, second number, third number. Initially, what happened? I'm going to add this 3. The previous problem is not like that. Actually, the team is there. 45 girls, one team, and 36 boys are one team. We are going to divide the team into parts. But here, 3 ratio, that is called 100 total. If I'm going to add these 3 numbers, sum is 100. That is a thing. So answer is, see the answer. I'm going to add this 3. 10, I will be get 10. Okay. First, I want to find the each part. So from this one part value, how much it is? 100 divided by 10, I got 10. Okay. So 2 into 10, 20. And 3 into 10, 30. 5 into 10, 50. Add this 3, you got the sum value. This is a simple method. So 3 ratio is given, sum is given. You're going to find the individual number. First, you add this ratio value and divided by some number, you will got one part value. The part value divided by into multiple by the given ratio number, you will be get the final result. This is a thing. General formula, total divided by total part is nothing but unit value. This is a simple formula. Okay, and next one, I think this is a last type, a simple one only. The ratio of the age of the A and B, the two persons are 2%. The age ratio is 5:7. After 10 years, see, after, very important word, after 10 years, that ratio becomes 7:9. After 10 years, 7:9 means what is the current age of the person? So, first I'm going to take this, let the age notation, I'm going to take it as a X. Okay. 5X first ratio, 7X second ratio. Now, after 10 years means 10 into, see this, after the 10 years means 5X plus 10 years. 5X is a ratio and X is a notation. After 10 years means plus 10 divided by second ratio is how much it is? 7X plus 10 years plus 10. Solve this, you will get, that is a value become, after this is equal to 7:9. This is this formula you must understand. So present ratio is 5X plus after 10 years is plus 10. Second ratio 7 and this age is 10. After 10 years plus 10, if I'm going to solve this ratio should be 7/9. Now I'm going to solve this. I'll be get A and B value. This 2 I'll be getting. So correct answer is 25/35. This is the ratio. These are important problems. This is an important topic. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about one more problem, then go for another one. See, 16th problem. If A is to B equal to 7:9. The ratio is given. A is to B equal to 7:9. The simple question is given. Find A plus B is to A minus B. So what is the value of A? 7. Value of B? 9. Right? So see the question. First, what is the A value? A ratio is 7 and K is nothing but constant K. B value is 9. Constant value is K. I'm going to add this 2. I'll be get the value. So I'm going to substitute the value. A plus B is to A minus B. What is A plus B? 7 plus 9. We're going to add 16K. In numerator, what is that? 9 plus 7. You'll get minus 2. So in our denominator, minus 2. So I'm going to divide this. I get minus 8.1. I mean 8.1. Sorry, 8 ratio 8 is to 1 ratio will come. See this answer. This answer is not available. So here there is a mistake. Okay. So correct answer is minus 8 is to 1 is correct answer. So we're going to source. There is no answer. This is a types. Okay. These are important type. This is an important question. Now we are going to discuss about the second topic of time and distance. So what is the time? What is the relation between the time and distance? That is a speed. The simple formula is given. See, the simple formula, the speed is equal to distance by time. What is the speed? Speed is nothing but how much distance I have to cross with respect to time. So generally, the time and speed is where actually the velocity and sign both are same. Only the vector quantity is scalar quantity. Okay, the speed is nothing but here scalar quantity. Now we are going to see the simple problem, very simple problem. A car is covered 150 kilometers in 3 hours. What is the speed? See the formula. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Correct? So what is the distance? 150 kilometer, 3 hours. 3 hours. See the unit, 50 kilometer per hour. This is a, okay. Suppose they are asking the question in terms of minutes or second, you have to divide it by 60 or 360 like that. Right? If the train travel 60 kilometer per hour, how far it will go to 2.5 hours? Actually, see, I'm kind of going to read the question. If the train travel 60 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour means what happens? First, you want to make it as a meter or what is it? 60 kilometer. Okay. See what this formula. See the formula. The formula is nothing but distance equal to speed into time. It's a common formula only. If it is a distance mean, you have to multiply the time into the speed. The train travel 60 kilometer per hour. How far it will go in a 2.5 hours? Distance, how much distance is a question? Speed 60 given and time is at 2.5 hours. You multiply, you'll get a 150 kilometer. See the answer, D is correct. Simple. Actually, if you know, if you understood the formula, it is enough for this chapter. The speed is equal to distance by time only. See the third one. A bus takes 6 hours to cover the distance of 60 kilometers per hour. How long it will take that 90 kilometers per hour? Same question. Simple one. First, a bus takes 6 hours to cover the distance of 60 kilometers per hour. So what is the distance and what is the time? Solution, the question is, if it is take 90 kilometers, same distance, if we going to increase the speed, the distance is 60. Hello, students. Hello, students. My voice is audible. Can you explain the third question? The same question only. Can you explain the second one? Simple one. Anyone can explain the second one? Unmute, please. Unmute and tell me the second question answer. Answer everything is the same formula. The speed is nothing but distance by time only. Hello? Hello, my voice is audible or not? Hello, student?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Hello? Students, please, can you explain the second one? Same problem, but only thing, direct substitution only. Anyone can explain the second one?
Yes, sir.
Johnson, can you explain the second one? Mr.
Yes,
Johnson,
sir.
can you explain the second one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Mr. Johnson, can you explain the second one? Do you have any doubt on this? It's a direct substitution only. The speed is nothing but distance by time. This is a basic formula. If you substitute the value and get the answer, that's all. If the train is traveling 60 kilometers per hour, I mean the distance, actually the speed is given. And the time is also given. My question is how much distance? So you have to change. Gokul, can you explain this problem? Explain this problem. Second one, please, anybody can explain this problem?
Yes, sir. I can explain.
Hello? That's sufficient only. The speed is given. and hours also given. He's asking only the distance. That's all. Okay. Okay. This problem I am going to give it to you. Can you solve and tell me the answer? A person walking at the 4 km per hour. What is the 4 km per hour? It is nothing but speed only. Speed is given. How long does he walk? 20 km distance. Okay. So what's how to I actually the question is time. He is going to ask the time. Students, can you explain? Can you tell me that? Can you explain the fourth question, please?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the fourth one? Anyone?
So time equal to distance by speed.
Hello. Anyone, please? Can you explain the fourth question? Anyone can explain the fourth one? If you understood or not understood, unless I will repeat once again.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one, simple one. A person walking at 4 km per hour. Speed is given and distance also given. Only question, time they are going to ask. We know the basic formula. What's the basic formula for that one? Speed is nothing but distance but time. So distance is given 20 km and speed also given, only the time. So you are going to substitute the 20 by 4, 5 hours. This is the question answer. See the sixth one. A car covered at a distance of 80 km per hour in 4 hours. And what is the distance? So see, this is the speed is given, time also given, only thing distance. See the basic formula. Speed is nothing but distance by time. The question is, see the question. The distance is they're asking the distance. So in terms of this, what happened? The distance is nothing but speed into time. That's all. Okay. So this is a like that only all the questions are come like that. See the 11th one. The train moves at 90 km per hour. So what is the speed is given? How long it takes to travel 45 km? This is given. Only the question is how long, that is mean time. Direct substitution only. Done. So the 15th one, a train 3 meter long and 3 meter long passes on the platform of 240-meter long. The time is 30 seconds. Find the speed in the kilometer per hour. Simple one. Total distances. Speed is given. Only thing, the length is we are going to calculate. So this is these are this type of problem will come for your exam. Simple one. If you know the basic concept, basic formula, and the remaining is a direct substitution only. This is the second chapter. Correct? Now we are going to discuss about the third one, time and work. What is the time? What is the work? Before we are going to enter the numerical, we should know the basic. If A can do the piece of work in n number of days, for example, A. Hello, students, can you understood this previous
Yes, sir. We
and
can
ratio
hear.
and the time distance understood or not? Please reply. Please reply. You understood or not? Students, please understood or not? That okay. Okay. Two more say yes. What happened the remaining pupils? You understood that time and distance and ratio understood or not? Okay, very good, very good. Only thing, the simple one. The speed is nothing but distance per time. That's all. That's, if you know the formula, just a substitution and get the answer. That's all. Okay. What about actually? And what about the ratio and proportional? Ratio and proportional understood or not? Ratio and proportional understood or not? Ratio and proportional understood or not? Okay, very good. Actually, 4 types I explained. One more type also I explained the proportional ratio. Okay, if you have any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt in this 2 chapter, please tell me now. Again, I will go to explain. Okay, thank you, student. We'll go for a third one. Third one. Excellent. Simple. For example, one person doing the work in n number of days. Okay. For example, one person will complete the work in 8 days. Example, I will tell you 8 days. So how many work will be completed in one day mean 1 divided by 8. So similarly, A can do the piece of work in n days. So n days mean what is the 1 day work? 1 by n only. That's all. Again, I'm going to explain. One person will complete the work, certain work in 10 days. Example, I will tell you. 10 days mean first day 1 by 10, second day 1 by 10, third day 1 by 10, fourth day 1 by 10. Like that only 10 days only is completed. How much work will be done in a 1 day mean 1 divided by 10. So same thing, A can do the piece of work in n day. A is 1 day work is nothing but 1 by n. That's all. A 1 day work is 1 by n. A can finish the work in how many days mean n. That's all. Simple concept only. If, for example, I am going to do the work, I'm going to complete the work in certain work in 5 days. 5 days mean first day I'm going to complete 1 by 5, second day 1 by 5, third day 1 by 5, fourth day 1 by 5, fifth day 1 by 5. If I'm going to take the LCM, what happened? 5 by 5. So 1. So 1 day, how much I'm going to complete me? 1 by n only. Okay, we'll see one problem. A can do the complete the work in 10 days. Sir, student understood? Understood? Understood or not? Okay, A can complete the work in 10 days. Very good. How much work does A can do in 1 day? 10 mean what happened? First day 1 by 10, second day 1 by 10, third day 1 by 10. Once again. Once again. Third day 1 by 10, fourth day 1 by 10. Like that only 1 by 10 is a 1 day work. So see the question, how many work does A can do 1 day? I mean 1 by 10. That's what. A can do the piece of work in 6 days. Then B in 8 days. Now see the problem. A, B, both are involved in this problem. A can do the work. He can able to complete the work in 6 days. B can complete the same work in 8 days. Together mean definitely bigger, less than this only. So how many days take to take? How many days will take this? See the answer. A 1 by work is 1 by 6. B 1 by 8. Together mean I'm going to add this to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. I'm going to take LCM. So 7 by 24 I will be get. Together mean, if it is together mean, there is a work. How many days? So work is inversely proportional to, I mean the work is inversely proportional to 1 by time. This is a basic one. See, together 7 by 2. Question is day, time. So inverse of this means 24 by 7 days is required to complete the work. This is most important problem. So A can do 6 days. B can do 8 days. Together mean 1 day work is 1 by 6. Plus B work is 1 by 8. LCM and inverse of this is a time will come. Okay, right? Understood, students? Please understood or not? Sir, please understood or not? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Please reply. Please reply. Understood? Not understood? Any doubt in this, please? Actually, simple concept. Total number of days mean, for example, I'm going to complete the work 10 days. 1 day may divided by n. That's all. Okay, very good. Very good, Johnson. Any doubt mean, please raise your hand. Okay, I will explain once again. Next is third most important and beautiful sum. A is twice as good as B. If together they are take 12 days, B alone will do it in. Again, I'm going to repeat. A is twice as good as B. If together, actually in this A and B, both are working, is one is compared to another, is one is good. B alone too will do in it. So first I'm going to take A, B ratio. Ratio I'm going to take. First I'm going to take the ratio. A is to B ratio. First I'm going to take. 1 is twice. I mean A is 2. B is 1. This is a base of the problem. A, for example, A can do the work in the 10 days, mean B can do only 20 days. Double this. So I'm going to add this to, what is this? 3 will come. Okay, right? So total days is how much it is? 12. So here, 3 into 2, how much it is? 36 days. B can do. Okay. And suppose A can do mean what happened? That is called 1 by 10. So it is a 12. That's all. Sir, clear or not clear? This type of question is A. Question is important. A is twice. So the ratio, don't forget. Sir, clear? Sir, clear? Sir, clear or not clear? So this is a third type of problem. One is compared to another. One is better than another. Like that only question will come. Sir, clear? Done. One more simple type. I will explain now. 12 man. See, 12 man can do the work in 15 days. How many days will 20 men take this? Total number of men is 12. Now the men's value, I mean person value will be increased. Definitely day will be decreased. Understood? If the person, number of person value will be increased, and completed days will be decreased. First, initially, what happened? 12 persons have started the work. Now the day is 15 days. Now I'm going to increase the person, number of person 8. Now the percentage is 20. Now number of person is 20. Definitely days will be reduced. This is a question. So work is equal to man into day. How many men are there? For starting persons are there? 12 persons are there. And how many days they are going to complete the work? 15 days. 15 days. If I'm going to increase the person 20, how many days are required? So I'm going to substitute the direct substitution only. When I'm going to substitute, I'll be get. This answer is X is nothing but 9. Sir, students, please understood or not? Please understood? Sir, understood or not? One second. Next, simple one. A can complete the work in 12 days. B can complete the work 16 days. How long will it take together? Simple one. 1 by day. Actually, A 1 day work is 1 by 12. B 1 day work is 1 by 60. If I'm going to add this to 7 by 8, we will get it. We know very well about this. Work is inversely proportional to day. The inverse of this one, 4 by 7, 6.8. I mean, approximately 7 days is going to complete it. Right? So, students, please go through this problem and explain any one person. 8 men can build the wall in 10 days. How many men are needed to build in 5 days? See, again, I'm going to repeat. See the problem. Students, please see the problem. 8 men can build the wall in 10 days. How many men are needed? If I want to reduce the day, definitely the number of
16.
persons should be more than 8. Please go through that and tell me. Please go through the 7th problem and tell me whether you understood or not. Hello, please reply. Please
Yes, sir.
reply. This problem will be understood or not. Simple thing.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Tell me, Johnson. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir, go through this 8 to 1, whether you understood or not. Eight men can build the wall in 10 days. Okay. I mean, day and men is given. I mean, person and day is given. And so men is how many men? 8 persons. 8. If you're going to complete the work in 10 days, into 10, always equal to, that is the ratio. Other ratio, what happens? I want to complete the same work into 5 days. So persons X into 5, I'll be get 16. If the number of person will be increased, the completed day will be decreased. That's all. Okay. One more problem. A can finish the job in 20 days. And B can finish the job in 30 days. A works 10 days. First listen. First 10 days, A can be worked together. After that, B will finish the remaining work. How many days B can take? Again, I'm going to read the problem. A can finish the work in 20 days. But after 20 days, the balance work is present. So the balance work, B can do it alone. So he is going to remaining work from now, B can finish alone. Okay. So question A can finish the job is 20 days. B in the 30 days. See the problem? First 1 day work is nothing but A 10 days, work is 1 by 10, and we can finish the job in 20 days. So 10 into 1 by 10. So half of the work is done. Remaining work is half only. So B capable is finished in the work in the 30 days. So 1 by 30. Divide of remaining work into 1 by 30, 15 days. Sir, please understood or not? This problem understood, or this type of problem only, most of this type of problem only come for your exam. Please go through that and tell me you have understood or not. Please reply. Please reply. I'm waiting for your reply. Please reply whether you understood or not. Understood? Students, please understood or not? Understood? Okay, again I will explain. Okay. Again I will explain the same problem. Once again. Okay. See, once again read the problem. A can finish the work 20 days. And B can finish the work in 30 days. For example, one work is given. If A can do it alone, mean he can complete the work 20 days is required. The same work B can do it alone, mean 30 days is required. Actually, first initially what happened, the A going to start the work is work up to 10 days only. After remaining work will be completed by B itself. Okay, right. So A, how many days are working? 10 days are working, and is 10 days only he is working. 10 days. Wait 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. A work only 10 days. Its capacity is 1/10. He's finished half of the work. So finished half of the work only is going to finish, half of the work only finished. This remaining half work completed by B alone. So now you check that B capacity. B can finish the work 30 days. So 1 day work is 1/30, right, Anna? 1/30. 1/30. So remaining work is 1/2, right, Anna? 1/2. Now, inverse of this, what happened? 30 divided by 2 will come. So 15 days. It's required to complete the work. 15 days is required to complete the work. This is a 15 days is complete the work. So this is the answer of this one. Sir, understood now? Now you understood. Please clear. Now you understood. Students, please. Now you understood. Please reply. Actually, one person is going to ask the doubt. That's why I'm going to explain once again. Everybody understood me. Please put reply. Very good. Very good. Working on. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Will we see one more problem? A simple problem. If you understand the concept, that is easy. This chapter is very, very, very easy. Okay. Now, this problem I give it to you. 10th problem. Just to go through the 10th problem, 20 humans can do the work 16 days. How many days will 25 humans take? Students, please listen. The person, see the person here, 20 persons complete the work 60 days. Now the person value, numbers of persons is increased. What happened? They definitely reduce. That's all. Now we go through this problem. Work is nothing but how many persons in 2 days. That's all. First work is 20 days, 20%. How many days has completed? 16, 16. Now the person value will increase 25. Number of days is question. Substitute and get the answer. That's all. Answer. So students clear? Sir, clear, clear, clear. Please reply. Please reply. Beautiful. I got one feedback. What happened, others? Very good. Second one. Third one. Super. Okay, okay. Okay, now I will show one more problem. You have to answer and reply. I'm waiting for your reply.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sir, 11th problem. 11th one. Just to go through. Answer this. 5 months have completed the work 24 days. In how many days will 8 men complete it? Please answer. Please answer this. Eleventh problem. 5 months complete the work. Basic only. Simple and basic only. persons, days, how many days, number of person will be increased. Definitely day will be reduced in person 5, day 24. Second answer 8 man, how many questions? 15 days only. Sir, clear? Sir, clear? Clear or not clear? Sir, clear? What happened others? Only 4 or 5 people only put the people, remaining people are not reply anything. Easy questions are very good. Yes, sir. Ashwin, all clear. Very good. Next, this problem you have to do. This problem you have to do and reply. 12th problem. 12th problem. 12th one. A and B together to complete our can do the piece of work in 12 days. B alone can do 18 days. A how will do in it? Please reply. Answer everything is there. 12th one. 12th. You check the answer. I will just okay. Which one is correct answer? Answer is correct or not? You check and tell me. Students, clear or not clear? All of you got the answer? All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, only same feedback. Okay, understood? Clear? One more problem I'm going to give now. Simple problem. Only one more problem. Yeah, 14th problem. It's not for the 14th problem. That is the 13th problem. Answer I will show. I will tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. 13th one. Tell me the 13th answer. A can do the work in 15 days, B in 20 days. If together for 4 days, how much work is left? Can you tell me the answer for the 13th question? Can you tell me the answer for the 13th question? Thirteenth question answer. Please put in a message. Please put the message. I want answer 1 by 3. Very good. Very good. Next one. And solve and tell me the answer. D 1 by 3. Okay, right. Done. What happened others? 20 some people are there. 26 people are there. Only 4 or 5 people only answer. Remaining people, what happened? Option D only, right? Very good, very good. Option D, 1 by 3. Okay. I will give one more problem. One more simple problem I am going to give now. We have to answer. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. 20 women can do the work. 60 days. How many days will be 25 women's work? Women's take. 10th problem. Please answer the 10th problem. 10th one.
12.8.
10th one. Please
Sir,
answer.
12.9.
I want the answer. This problem already I did. Please tell me the answer. 10th one. If it's 12.8 is okay. Suppose the answer, make it as a round. 13 days. Okay. If less than 12.4 mean, you tell me the 12 days. What happened others? Only 2% only answered. What happened remaining people? Please answer this. 10th one.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay. Now I'm going to give one more simple problem I will give now. You have to answer this. Previous one. Here, now the question is come from time and distance. Okay, fourth problem. A person walk at 4 kilometers per hour. How long does he take to walk 20 kilometers? What's the answer for the fourth question? What's the answer for the fourth question? What is the answer for the fourth one? Students, please answer for the fourth one. Answer for the fourth one. 5, okay. Then 5, okay. Okay. One simple problem I will give you now. One simple problem. Okay. Now I'm going to change the problem. Is walk 24 kilometers. Now I'm going to change the problem. 24 kilometers. What is the answer? If it is 24 mean, what's the answer? If it is 24 mean, how many hours required? Please answer now. If it is 24, 6, very good. Muttu Manikandan, very good. Then, okay, right. One more person, 6. Next, what happened remaining people? Tell me. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Johnson. Okay, Sharon. Okay, very good. Okay, Google Not, very good. Now, and one more simple problem only one problem, right? Second problem, see the second problem, the train travel 80 kilometer. Now I'm going to change the problem 80 kilometer per hour. 80 kilometer per hour. What is the distance? Question is D. I want the D. Find the D value. What is the distance? Tell me the answer. 200. Very good. Next one. 200. Very good. Very good. Muthu Manikandan. Very good. Ashin Gokul 200. Very good, very good, very good. Subhash, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, now simple. One more problem. Only one problem. Right. Okay, 1 second. Here. Okay, 15th problem. In the class, the ratio of the boys and girls 3:2. Very good. And 30 boys are there. How many girls are there? How many girls? Boys is 30. The ratio is 3:2. How many girls are there? Answer this. Answer this. 20. Very good, very good, very good. Now I'm going to change the problem. It's a little bit simple. I'm going to change. Now I'm going to change the ratio. This is 6. This is 4. That's all. My new ratio is 6:4. The number of boys is 30 only. Find the girls ratio. Find the girls ratio. Girls, number of girls. This is a question. How many girls? Check and tell me. Fast, fast, fast. Check and tell me. Same problem. The ratio only I'm going to change. No, no 20. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. I will verify and tell you. 20 is correct answer. 20 is correct answer. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Super, Pawan. Super, super. Now, third problem. Three numbers ratio is 2:3:5. The sum is 100. Find the numbers. Already I did the problem only. Verify and tell me. What's the answer for the 10th one? Sir, answer please. 10th problem, answer please. Very good. Very good. Subhash, very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. And I will change this problem. One simple, I'm going to change the problem. Now I'm going to change the ratio. Ratio is 4:6:10. Same question. Find the numbers. Now I'm going to change the ratio. Please listen. The ratio I'm going to change 4:6:10. Find the numbers. Please answer this. Please answer this. How this? You understood? I hope Muttu Manikanta understood. Very good, very good, very good. Same, same. Subhash, super. I hope you all of you understood this. Am I right? Okay. Last one more problem. Yeah. Thank you, Gogulnath. Yes, thank you. I hope we are all are strong in this chapter. Very good. Hmm. Okay, sixth problem. A and B earn 2:3. A is earned 1,500. B earned how much it is? Last one. Explain. 1,000, okay, right? Okay, right. Now I'm going to change the problem now. Shall I change the problem now? Okay. Now I'm going to change the ratio 3. One second. Sorry.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to change the ratio 2:3. Now A is earning 1,000. What is the B? What is the B value? What is the B value now? What is is superb? Excellent.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ranjit sir.
I hope all of you understood these 3 concepts. All the best once again. All the best, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ranjit sir.